Okay, let's pretend that we've got a whiteboard that we spent a while on in a lesson and we want to share that with the students. So I'm going to show you in a different video how to share from a collaboration point of view. And you can share and give people view access. So you could give students view access over this whiteboard. The problem with that is if you accidentally delete it later on or you overwrite it or whatever, they've lost the ability to see this content. Sometimes if it's something that's not going to change or it's not a whiteboard you're working on over progressive weeks or anything like that, then sometimes it is best just to take a snapshot of it and maybe add it to their team. So for example, you could have a channel in their team called Whiteboards, and you could put images on there of whiteboards throughout the year, and then the students have got very easy access to all of that knowledge and content. So to do that, it's really easy. You just click on the cog at the top and you click export image. I would always advise choosing the high resolution. I found that some of my larger whiteboards, if I went for standard resolution, I found some of the text became quite pixelated and it's not very readable. So I'd always choose high resolution. You click export. It won't take very long at all and it'll appear in your downloads folder. If it's a bigger whiteboard, it will take longer. And then if I open it, it's turned that into an image. Just taking a while to open, and you'll see it's also cropped it to just, with a border, but it's cropped it to just the area of the whiteboard that had content in it. So this is really, really easy. It's like we all know there's students that might want to take photos of what you've done on the board, but with a few clicks, you could save this image and upload it to their class team. And then everybody in your class got access to that knowledge, not just the students that are proactive and looking to take photos on their phones and things like that. So that can be really useful.